Mom, do you know fancy words?
I do. Want to learn them with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn simple into fancy words. Okay?
Yes. A fancier way of saying brave is?
Fancy word for brave is Valiant. Valiant sounds like a superhero or a knight.
What is a fancier way of saying quick?
A fancy word for quick is expeditious. This is a big word for doing things very fast.
What is a different way of saying hidden?
A fancy word for hidden is concealed. It is a perfect word for secrets and for mystery stories.
What is a fancier way of saying happy?
A fancy word for happy is ecstatic. Ecstatic is super happy.
What is a fancy way of saying tired?
A fancy word for tired is exhausted. Exhausted means no energy left at all.
What word was your favorite?
Like and subscribe for more fancy words. Thank you.